Hey guys, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet crop top designs for girls and women. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to you people in it. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kinds of crochet related designs. So you guys can see different designs in a different colors are being shown to you which you have never seen before. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such designs. So friends, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos of friends. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. I am very happy that you like my videos and leave good comments. Please let me know in the comment box what you guys like to see. Let's go, inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Video is very helpful and useful for you guys, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Take care, stay with me, will remember in prayer, and bye.